Creating a Google Ads report in Looker Studio allows you to track and visualize your ad performance. Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. Create a new report. Go to Looker Studio. Visit datastudio.google.com and log in with your Google account. Create a new report. Click on the Create button and choose Report. Connect Google Ads data. Add data source. Click on Add data in the data panel. In the list of connectors, search for Google Ads and select it. Authorize access. Sign into your Google Ads account and authorize Looker Studio to access your ad data. Select the account. Choose the specific Google Ads account you want to pull data from and click Add. Build the report. Add visualizations. In the toolbar, click Add a chart and select from options like time series, bar charts, pie charts, or tables to visualize metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. Customize metrics. In the right panel, modify the metrics and dimensions to track specific performance data like campaign names, cost per click, or conversion rates. Share or export. Arrange and style. Organize your charts and apply colors, labels, and text for clarity. Share. Click Share to invite others to view or edit, or download the report as a PDF for easy distribution.